Hello! To change position of the lock screen clock on the Realme 14 Pro Plus, first of all you will have to go into the settings. From here, go into the wallpapers and style, and right here we can set up some changes. Here we have some different lock screen styles. We actually have to go for more themes, and here we have three options. The classic one, which has the clock on the lock screen on the top of the screen, the cover, which has the clock in the middle, and also the snapshot also has the clock on the top, but it has a different style. It looks a little bit different. So yeah, that's basically how to change the position of the lock screen. And for example, if you want the clock to be in the middle of the lock screen, we have to select the cover one, and from here we can set up the wallpaper, any wallpaper that we like. We can change the style of the clock and some additional informations, and yeah, basically that's it. That's how to change it. From there you have to simply press apply, and that's how to do this. Thank you for watching.